I'm back again, ladies and gentlemen. This is my 2005 Toyota Sienna radiator job, part 2. So, I was having some trouble with this, all these electrical things, so I decided to take the 10mm bolt out. See, that bottom part's loose, and there's the bolt. I put it back in its spot. Just swing this entire piece out of my way here. So let's reenact it. So there it is. I'm swinging it up and over. There's my two horns. I was debating whether to unclip this from the metal. I decided to just take the whole big piece of metal out of there with all the wires and everything. And we'll set it out of the way as best we can. Now, the one thing that gave me a wee bit of trouble is this is a bridge for wires, and you see how it kind of fits in there. I had to pull it up and possibly damage the plastic a little bit. Okay, let's see how this can hold out of the way. Now you see, this is already loose because I undid a bolt here, which was going into here, and again on this side the second bolt goes into here, and the identical thing happens on the lower part of the car. So there's a total of 4 bolts holding this plastic fan, dual fan assembly, along with the coolant reservoir. I'm hoping to swing this whole thing out as an assembly. So I had to get underneath the car. You take those 2 bolts out. So if you're gonna do any jacking, you better do it before you take your car apart. So I'm blindly showing you the area. Alright, well, I got the total of 2 bolts out from underneath. And I'm going to have to put the camera down here for a minute to see if I can swing this out of the way. Swing it up and out. Now, so the wire harness connecting this to the car, here it is, and it's attached to the frame right there. I'll probably want to see if I can get that loose. Probably this is not may not be the official way, but pull it hard and it comes out of the hole. Alright, so these transmission oil cooler lines, I'm going to have to finagle them or disconnect them. So let me set the camera down and call this the end of part 2 to see if I can get this out of here. Alright, see you in a minute.